looking yummy. Ken is the living anime.
Oh. I thought snacks looking yummy.
Like
SB19 looking yummy.
What's up with Ken's color? You're totally different. Do we have a Zoro in the house from One Piece? What's going on?
Zorat.
Yeah, Zoro.
Zorat.
Yeah, Zorat.
One day we'll run out of time. Memories will leave and behind. Many things we can't control. I hope you know it's better to try. 'Cause one day we'll run out of time.
What I really love about our group so much and about our companies that
Yeah.
we prioritize our art more than anything.
Yeah.
And we were able to express our art, our our fashion style.
Yeah.
So whatever we do, we just we just express it in the most genuine way. So
Yeah.
that's what
Yeah.
I love about us so much.